Welcome to FarmFix Nation, where tractors get fixed, not thrown in the junk pile. This channel's for farmers, backyard mechanics, or anybody who wants to learn how to wrench on farm equipment the right way, step by step, without lighting your wallet on fire. Today we're talking about top 5 tractor problems every new farmer runs into and how to fix them without losing your mind. Let's roll. 1. Tractor won't start, fuel system acting up. If your tractor cranks but won't actually fire, think fuel first. Don't overthink it. Check this stuff in order. Make sure the fuel shutoff valve ain't turned off. Swap or clean the fuel filter. Look for cracked or leaking fuel lines. Air in the system, bleed it out. One tiny clog can shut the whole dang thing down. Before you go buying parts, make sure fuel is actually getting there. 2. Weak battery, electrical gremlins. If it just clicks, dies, or struggles under load, welcome to electrical issues. Try this. Clean the crusty battery terminals. Make sure the ground ain't rusty or loose. Check voltage. 12.6 volts plus is the sweet spot. Slow starter, jump power to it and see if it wakes up. Most electrical problems ain't magic. It's just dirty connections, not some expensive part going bad. 3. Engine overheating. Overheating ain't always the end of the world. Could be something dumb and simple. Radiator full of hay, dust, or dirt. Blow it out with air. Low coolant. Top it off. Look for leaks. Fan belt flopping around. Tighten it or replace it. A $5 belt can save a $5,000 motor. Don't ignore it. 4. Hydraulics, weak or not lifting. If your 3-point or loader is acting tired, check your fluid. Most folks forget this and panic swap the hydraulic filter if it's nasty. Look for drips or slow leaks around fittings. Whining noise means cavitation or low fluid. Listen for it. Hydraulics usually complain before they quit. They're noisy on purpose. 5. Rough idle, smoking, losing power. Your engine's basically saying, I can't breathe or I can't burn fuel right. Start with air filter choked, clean it or toss it. Water and diesel. Drain the separator. Dirty injectors. Run some injector cleaner. Smoke colors tell you what's wrong. Blue, until oil burning. White, on unburned fuel. Black, on it way too much fuel. Listen to the smoke. It's gossiping about your engine. Before you spend money, check this fuel flow battery and connections. Coolant and belts, hydraulics and filters. Air, fuel, and smoke signs. Most fixes are stupid simple. Don't panic buy parts. Diagnose first. If you want step-by-step tractor and diesel repair with no face cam, no dealership drama, and no BS, subscribe to FarmFix Nation. Repair, restore, run strong. Catch you in the next one.